In our on-premise laundry market, the primary machines we sell on there are the Unimac UW models. They are built to last, we would see typically 15, 20, even 30 years of life out of those machines that are getting used extremely hard, meaning 10, 12, 14-hour days and constant through the day. So if you're a heavy laundry user, hotel, nursing home, correctional, etc., then you would want those type of machines. Now, they cost more, but the longevity and the cost of ownership over that period of time is dramatically lower than some of the quote-unquote budget machines that might be a 10-year machine, and you'll have to replace it after that. So again, it comes down to what are your goals, how much laundry you're going to do, and kind of what your budget is. But we certainly have machines that can fit all of those requirements, but we see the Unimac as being one of the top machines and has proven that way for the last 40 years. When they're trying to make that decision of what they're going to grow into, do they have physical room to add machines? Are they going to have to buy a machine and then end up having to, within a few years, then replace it? And you've got a big depreciation hit that you're going to have? Or do we upsize that machine today, knowing that you're going to grow into it? So those, again, are going to be, our sales professionals will sit down with the customer, give them some options and talk through those things. It's like, well, if we've got a physical space next to the other machines, great. We can plan on that expansion someday. But if we're limited, then you got to make some tougher decisions today. Is when do you think you'll need that added capacity, and what's the life cycle of that machine, and what's the value of it at the end of it, to decide, do I spend the extra money today or do we delay that decision?